Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Cash App not opening or crashing on iPhone. First of all, open the app, swipe it up from the bottom of your screen, find Cash App and then swipe it away. Head over to your app store, search for Cash App and then see if you have updated the app. Make sure to update your app because it will help you fix the bugs and it will run smoother and won't crash. So update it to the latest version if available. Then go ahead and restart your iPhone. After you reopen your iPhone, click on settings, search for general, scroll down and then look for iPhone storage and try to free up storage space if there is no storage available. Then find Cash App, long press, remove app, and then once you remove your app, go ahead and open your app store again, search for Cash App and then reinstall your app. Once you reinstall, do all the login that you have to do again and then your app will stop crashing. Safety tip: never download Cash App outside from the app store. Quick fix: turn off low power mode, it can glitch apps, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.